welcome. I have a very special unboxing today. For this month of January, I am going to be guest designing at A Cherry on Top. If you've never heard of A Cherry on Top, it is an online scrapbook store that sells all kinds of beautiful crafting supplies, not just scrapbooking supplies. There's yarn, there's paint, there's all kinds of beautiful stuff, and it's acherryontop.com. This is a cute little logo. So this month of January, I am gonna be guest designing on their blog, and they have sent me some beautiful supplies to play with. And before I start playing with them, I wanted to actually do a full flip through with you guys to share with you what I got, and so that you guys know what I will be doing, because there will be 5 challenges that I'm going to share. So there's going to be 5 challenges starting this weekend. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and check out the links in the description box. I have linked my initial introduction post, and then I will link you into their fun chat room where you can join the challenges. Okay, each challenge will have gift cards and giveaways, so come and join us. It's gonna be fun, and I'm gonna be creating 5 different projects that I will challenge you to recreate in your own ways, whether it's using a specific supply, trying a technique, or whatever, following a sketch. So a little bit of everything. So anyways, for today, I want to go ahead and flip through the supplies that I'll be using, and that way you guys can kind of get a look at what I'll be playing with. That way the videos that pop up this month, you guys know exactly what supplies I am using. So I did order a few fun items that I can play with, but then I have 2 different collections. So I have the Marigold collection, and then I did grab a few Paige Evans bits. So let's get started. All right, friends, so the first thing I want to share with you here, these are called shaker domes, and these are by Sizzix. And basically what they help you do is create little shaker elements to cards or layouts, whatever you want to make. It comes with 6 pieces, which is really cool. I have yet to try out something like this, but so definitely gonna try it out this go around. So I hope you guys are ready to try this out, and then I want to obviously have a challenge with creating some kind of a shaker pocket or card or whatever. So that is the first item I got. So to go with that, I ordered these Sizzix shaker sequins and beads. So each little, it comes with, I think, 5 little jars. They have different sized shakers and sequins, and beads. So we've got some pink circles, big and small. We have some beautiful stars. There's, again, big and small. Then we have some cute little hearts. Again, they have both sizes. These are just like regular sequins, like white sequins, and again, they have really tiny ones and then some very large ones. And then these are the cute little beads. Super cute. So they all come in this cute little jar. When I was checking out their website, I saw that they have different colors and stuff, so depending on your color preference, you can check out the different colors. I got the ballet slipper because you guys know I love my pink stuff. And then next, I'm gonna stand that up. Next, I have these cute little Pinkfresh Studio stencils. So it comes with 2 pieces, and these are really cool. The reason I got these is because you can create some really awesome plaid elements on your pages. So there's 2 layers here. We have stencil 1 is this one. So you can see it's got that plaid look, but then once you layer that on top of the other one, you get a really cool dimensional type of plaid print. So you can like switch these around and then of course use different colors. I will have to do a little bit of experimenting with these, but I definitely want to create a project with these. I'm thinking maybe like a card. So stay tuned, and stay tuned for a video where I will definitely share how to use these. These are awesome. Next, I have the Marigold Ephemera, and this is cardstock and vellum pieces. And just because this is a very special flip through unboxing, I want to go over the little pieces because I haven't yet looked through them. So we have, let me zoom you in. We have some beautiful vellum butterflies. Wow, these are so pretty. So I haven't yet played with the Marigold collection. This is actually my first time playing with these pretties. So cute. We've got some cards. These are going to be really, really fun to layer with. I love the vintage look. And of course, anything Maggie Holmes, you guys know it is just beautiful. And I love, love, love using her supplies. This is a cute bow. We got some stamps, some more vintage ephemera pieces. And then I will show you the rest of them here. All right, so we got some more vellum, cute gold. I like this vintage camera. Beautiful roses, more layerable pieces, tags, more vintage stuff. This is pretty cool. So I'm thinking that with these types of pieces, I will be making a few scrapbook layouts. So stay tuned for that. Like I said, for a few of the challenges, I will be creating some sketches for us to follow. So this is really exciting, being able to be a guest designer where you can include challenges for the month. It's actually really, really fun. So I want to make the best of it. So you guys, come on, join me on these challenges in the next few weeks. Look at this cute banner. We got a beautiful deer with a bow. How cute. So this is the ephemera pack, and you can see it is very, very full of stuff. Let me gather this together and I'll show you the rest. All right, so now I have the Marigold 6x12 stickers. Again, these are just so, so beautiful. Here you go. You guys can see them now. I love cardstock stickers, you guys. I love them. And especially some Maggie Holmes ones. These are gorgeous. I can't wait to use these. So for the rest of the supplies, we just have some papers. Here's a specialty foil cardstock paper. It's a gorgeous Marigold collection floral kind of scalloped paper. This is so beautiful. So you can see here it is super metallic there. It is very, very pretty. I love it. And it is single-sided, of course, because it is a specialty sheet. Next, I have this Marigold sheet. It is called High Note, and as you can see, it is a musical note, a music sheet type of paper. And then the back has these beautiful bold pink polka dots. To go with that, I got this paper that says, it's called, I'm sorry, From the Heart, and it's a beautiful plaid, pink plaid. And then this super fun pattern that I love, it's just like graphic hearts. They're totally hand-drawn. They're so beautiful, and there's little specks of black all through the sheet. I love, love that look. And then one more Maggie Holmes paper, but this is not from the Marigold collection. This is from the Sweet Story collection. And I just loved the colors in this. I love the bright kind of spring colors. This is a beautiful scalloped print here. I'm a big fan of cutting these scallops, so you might see a layout like that. We'll find out. And then this cute little print back here. It's like a very soft blue with stripes and diamonds. And finally, for the embellishments, I have the 12x12 sticker sheet, chipboard stickers here. This is also from the Marigold collection. You can see how beautiful again, I'm just gonna have so much fun with all these marigold supplies. So I cannot wait to get to using these, guys. I hope you guys are excited, just me. And then finally, I grabbed a few Paige Evans papers. This is from the Go the Scenic Route collection. And again, I went for this paper because I love the colors. It's really just so pretty. I kind of would hate to put anything around it. However, I know that it's beautiful, and I'm gonna challenge myself and you guys this month to use a patterned paper and patterned backgrounds for a layout, because I do usually go for the white backgrounds, but I want to challenge myself, okay? So stay tuned for that. The back of this paper is just a really cute kind of mandala, I think you would call this. And this is paper number 9, in case you were wondering. And then finally, I have paper number 13 here from, again, Go the Scenic Route by Paige Evans. This is a super cute kind of mixed media paper. I love the wash that it has, the pink and the pops of blue and yellow. And then in the back, we just have a really cool kind of like ombre teal with little tiny designs. And to go with this, I do have the Go the Scenic Route chipboard stickers. One of the things I've noticed is that I don't think I've ever gotten a 12 by 12 Paige Evans sticker chipboard sheet like this. The cool thing about a cherry on top is that there's always pre-sales on all the new collections. So, you know, it's really awesome to be able to order your supplies early, and you're able to order almost everything out of the collection. So that's one of the perks of it, a cherry on top, and that's why I love them. And I think I have previously ordered from them, and I would recommend that if you guys want to take advantage of gathering all the new collections, they always have pre-orders. So friends, this is what I will be working with this month. As you can see, it's got a lot of fun colors. I love it. We have lots of fun ephemera to work with. And then we have a few fun elements that we will use to add some pizzazz to our scrapbook pages. So again, this whole month I will be sharing challenges. Like I said, I will link everything down below for you guys, and I will continue to pop on this month once a week to share the very next project and the next challenge. So friends, if you guys have enjoyed this, please leave me a like in the video and subscribe for more scrappy goodness. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.